The most important single thing is to focus obsessively on the customer. Our goal is to be Earth's most customer-centric company. We've had 3 big ideas at Amazon that we've stuck with for 18 years, and they're the reason we're successful. Put the customer first, invent, and be patient. What's dangerous is not to evolve. I think frugality drives innovation, just because when you're frugal, you're forced to think creatively. The best customer service is if the customer doesn't need to call you, doesn't need to talk to you. It just works. If you're not stubborn, you'll give up on experiments too soon. We are stubborn on vision. We are flexible on details. I'd rather interview 50 people and not hire anyone than hire the wrong person. Have a willingness to be misunderstood for long periods of time. What's important is that we're trying to build a company that's going to be here for a long, long time. If you can't tolerate critics, don't do anything new or interesting. You can have a job, or you can have a career, or you can have a calling. I think my job is to make sure the company stays true to its vision. Invention is by its very nature disruptive. You don't want to negotiate the price of simple things you buy every day. The one thing that offends me the most is when I see people clipping coupons. Man, you're not really saving money, you're just saving pennies. Work hard, have fun, and make history. I believe you have to be willing to be misunderstood if you're going to innovate. The most important thing is to be true to yourself. I think it's very rare for companies to have more than 1 or 2 major innovations. You have to be willing to take the long-term view. The best way to think about it is, look in your life. Look at the things that you do that are repetitive, that are boring, that are time-consuming, and ask yourself, can I automate those tasks? If you're doing something that you love, then it doesn't feel like work. The most important single thing is to focus obsessively on the customer.